This video has made me $874.15 so far. This video made me $544 and this video made me more than $262. So many people have been creating videos about how to make money on YouTube without showing your face. Some of those videos are just clickbaity and they are not worth watching. But some videos provide actually a good value. So I wanted to give you my own contribution on helping you to make money on YouTube without even showing your face through my own experiences and examples. As you know, I help people step by step to make money online, and if you want to join my program, click the link in the description and I will help you personally to succeed on YouTube. But in this video, I have these 3 examples I want to show you, and then I explain the strategies how I did it and how you can do the same in order to make money on YouTube without even showing your face. I also want to mention that this is just from the affiliate income. On top of that, I have earned money from affiliate marketing, which is usually more money than what I earn from YouTube ads. And on top of that, you see that these videos are still generating me money every single day. As you can see here on the screen, they are getting up and up all the time. Every day they are generating money. So this strategy I'm going to show you, this is awesome. You do the work once, you get paid for months or even years or even decades to come, even while you are sleeping. And that's what I'm also teaching you in my YouTube program if you are interested in that. So what strategy did I use? It's pretty simple. First of all, I found a keyword within my niche that is first getting a good amount of views, but second doesn't have a competition, and third I get ranked on YouTube search. Those 3 things. And if you want to learn for free how to find keywords on YouTube, I will leave a link in this blog post where I explain step by step a strategy that I used to find these keywords and how you can find keywords to get a lot of views and subscribers and money on YouTube and to get ranked on search. It's inside Wealthy Affiliate and you can read it right here. And obviously I go even more in detail in my Tube Journey to Freedom program where I teach you step by step how to do it. Let me show you here on the screen how I got the traffic. So here is the first video that has generated almost $900 in ad revenue so far. You can see 84% of the viewers came from YouTube search. So that's most of it, almost everybody. Then there is also external, and that is basically Google search. They are coming from there also. I ranked there as well. And then there is the second one where I had made more than $260. Let's have a look again, YouTube search and then the suggested videos. But you can see more than 86% have come from the YouTube search. And then there is a third one where it was $544, and actually in this one most of that came from external, but that was again from Google search from the time when Google was ranking YouTube videos. So that was again thanks to choosing the right keyword. So choosing right keywords on YouTube is really awesome, and if you can find them, as you can see, you can get a huge amount of views and make a lot of money from YouTube search. What kind of videos did I create? All of those 3 videos were screencast videos. In other words, I was recording my screen. I also want to add that these videos where I earned $500 and $260, I made a 30-second intro where I showed my face a little bit, and then the rest of the video was without showing my face. This video was 100% screencast, so I didn't show my face at all. With this one I quickly showed my face, but you don't even need to do that if you don't want to do it. I only showed for 30 seconds in the beginning, and then for the rest of the video I simply recorded the screen. If you want to record your screen, there are a lot of cheap and even free alternatives for screencast. 2 software that I have been using are Camtasia and Screencast-O-Matic. What did I say in those 3 videos? First of all, I don't want to mention the specific video names because otherwise there would be so much competition on YouTube. Everybody would be targeting the same keyword because they know that these work so well. But I can tell you that all of those videos were review videos. In other words, I simply told my own opinions and thoughts about those products and companies in those videos. So I made the research on the following things. For example, what have people said about these products? What kind of experiences customers had with this product? What kind of background company owners have? How do these products compare to other products within the industry regarding the offer, pricing, etc. and other things? And how long has the company existed? And you can use these same things when you are creating your own videos. And you notice that these are really simple things that anybody can literally do this. If you're thinking about will people be interested if you are just recording your screen, well, here I have a proof in front of your eyes. $870, $550 and $200 all the time. You can see every day getting more and more views, more and more money this video. So yes, it's working. Here is also another channel, Trader University. I'm following this channel, and basically what he's doing, he's just recording recording his screen and then talking, and this content is awesome. I have watched more than 50 of his videos and I usually watch them from the beginning until the end because it's great. So you can simply record your screen and make tons of money on YouTube and become highly successful and help tons of people. So yes, you don't need the high quality equipment in order to make money on YouTube, and you don't even need to show your face if you don't want. So here's a quick summary what you'll need to make money using this strategy. First of all, screencast software, and it can be even free. Second, a keyword that you will target on YouTube, as you will learn in my program and in my blog post. Second, you research the products, and this can be again done 100% online for 100% free. And you also need a microphone if you want to record yourself, but if you don't want to record yourself, then you can simply hire a voiceover actor on Upwork or Fiverr, for example, and then other people will do the voice for you. If you search on YouTube how to make money without showing your videos, there are some scammers who tell you that this is going to make you lots of money immediately. They are just trying to take advantage of you, so be careful. This will not make you rich immediately, but as you can see on the screen, this is completely worth it in the end. This one video, just from the ads, not even calculating the affiliate income, almost $1,000. This one video, just from the ads, more than $500. Then if we add the affiliate income, both of these videos have made thousands of dollars, or will made over the time course. So can you imagine, one video, thousands of dollars? It's pretty good potential. Of course, these are highlights, but I believe you start seeing the potential of making money on YouTube. That's why I want to invite you to my program Tube Journey to Freedom, where I will teach you step by step how to make money on YouTube from scratch, from the beginning until the end. All the steps I will be covering there. And as you can see here, even if you make one successful video, it will pay the program price many times and you are already on profit. So if you learn these things, these are really powerful. This can make a lot of money for you over the time course, and I can tell you from my own experience, it's completely worth it. And as you can see here on the screen, over the time your results will compound. You can see that the videos that you publish now will make you money for months, for years, or even decades to come. Think about it. You publish a video a day, you make money every single day automatically, whether you are sleeping or spending time with your loved ones or doing whatever you want. These systems will make you money automatically. So if you want to learn more, click the link in the description, join my Tube Journey to Freedom, and it's my #1 priority to help you to make money on YouTube. See you inside immediately.